Hello everyone, Suman Pachigula here, and here in this video we are going to understand little bit in deep about English. All right, are you interested? Very good. So here, first thing you need to remember that whenever you're talking, you got to open your mouth first. Okay, we generally what happens, हम बोलना चाहते तो हैं लेकिन अंदर रह जाता है, right? We try to speak, but we keep the words inside. When you are trying to speak a fluent English, a proper English, you want to communicate with somebody else. So what you have got to do is you got to go slow in your conversation. First thing is do not compare yourself with anybody else. You have your own speed, own way of learning, and own way of perceiving things and learning. Okay? So do not ever try to compare yourself with anybody else and feel that I'm not good enough. Okay, now whatever happened with your studies in the past, schooling or college, but here what you are going to learn is my way of learning. But for that you definitely have to have some commitment and seriousness towards that. You definitely want to move ahead. Okay, so let's go and understand about what is that you are going to learn during this program. So this is a speak in English program and I built it on my own way how I learned it. So don't expect it to be a college style or school style, or if it goes like that, then this is how it is. There is no other easy way. First thing, anyone to learn English, you got to understand the times. Okay, that's what we talk, right? वही तो बात करते हैं हम लोग, आज क्या हुआ, कल क्या होगा, परसों क्या होने वाला है, और क्या हो रहा है, कुछ खत्म, कुछ हो गया क्या. So that's what we talk in our language. So here English is just you got to get that thing in that meaning, simple as that. Okay, but it has its own pattern and it has a formula that you got to follow initially to speak in a proper manner. For example, if I take you, let's take tenses. Okay, this is what we are going to learn. So when it comes to tenses, tense nothing but time. Okay, present time, past time, future time. Meaning present time मतलब अब, पास्ट इज जो बीत चुका है, फ्यूचर इज जो होने वाला है. प्रेजेंट इज नाउ, पास्ट इज समथिंग विच हैज हैपेंड, फ्यूचर इज नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, राइट? सो आई डोंट हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दैट मच हियर, सो यू नो दैट. So present is today, this is yesterday, this is tomorrow. Simple as that. And here are the formulas that you are going to learn, and you are going to pick it so fast and you will be surprised how fast you are talking in English. Okay, formula kya hai? Let's focus here. Okay, so here we are going to understand about little bit in deep. Okay, let me keep this here somewhere. Okay, this is disturbing me. So let me pull this here. Let me pull this here. Okay, because what is that we're going to learn? Tenses, plural techniques, and questions. Everything is here. Okay, so now there are, when in the present tense, right? In any time there are phases. Phases is the way something happens, right? Prior, so let, for example, you started something, or you thought of starting something, or you already started, or it's continuing and you completed it, right? That's what the phases is. So the same way it has present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, present simple is this is something, and you got to remember the formula here. Here in English language there will be a subject, there is a verb. Subject is the primary entity. It could be you, it could be me, it could be someone else, it could be Ram, it could be Sham, it could be goat, it could be cat, anything. Whatever is there, the primary is called subject. Verb is what is that happening. Okay, it tells what is that happening, or what is that happening with the particular subject, or what the subject is doing. Okay, so this talks about the action part, and this talks about who is doing it. For example, I play. Got it? I is subject here, play is verb. You know, right? Play, played, played, looked, do, did, done. So those are verbs. So you got to learn that as well. Okay, that is the primary key to speak proper English, having that knowledge that which verb that you're using. So here is what you're going to learn. What is that going to make you master? तीन चीजें. ओके, ये चीजें, तीन होने दो, चार होने दो, कुछ भी होने दो, ये चीजें आप लोगों को आगे लेके जाएगा. These are the things going to take you forward. What? First, you got to understand the verb's meaning. All the verbs, their meaning. Second thing, you got to understand that what could be the verb in different times. Okay, एक verb हुआ play, वो past में उसको कैसे यूज करेंगे, future में कैसे यूज करेंगे. मतलब मैं खेला और मैं खेलता हूं, मैं खेला था और मैं खेलूंगा, राइट. मैं खाता हूं, खाया था, खाऊंगा. It's the same way how we have different things. We need to have play, played, played. Okay, eat, ate, eaten. So the same way, there is nothing different. Just you need to understand how we got to place it. So once you understand the meaning of the verb, once you understand how exactly it is going to fit, and you understand the formula, that's it. You are genius in English. Okay. So what is this all about? So wherever where the present simple comes in, it primarily comes in with events, actions, conditions, whatever it is which is happening all the time, and or it could be existing now. For example, I sleep. So I sleep in the night. Okay, we generally do it, right? So that's what happening all the time. Earth revolves around sun. मतलब धरती सूरज के चारों तरफ घूमता है. So that's what it is happening. So sun rises in the east. So that is a simple tense. So in that way, that's where present simple comes in. Something which exists or something is happening. Got it? Now, there are bunch of things you need to understand. Whenever there is a conversation, who will come in the conversation? Okay, before we go in, let me give you a small presentation here so that you will be able to understand. So whenever there is a conversation comes in, you will have these things, right? First is I, meaning it's I. This is you whom I'm addressing. Okay, and there will be someone, correct? So here you got to understand, we have I means single, right? It's a singular, they call it singular, and there is something plural, मतलब एक वचन बहुवचन. It's a single, it's one, it's more than one. Okay, that's called singular, it's a plural. Okay, now here when it is I मतलब मैं, what could happen? मैं और हम, right? So there could be more related to me. Got it? और ये बहुत से बच्चे हैं, or anything that is, ये हम. This is called, these are I is, this is I, and this is what? We. Okay, मैं, हम. यहाँ पे तुम. So when we say तुम, that could be individual or that could be many. तुम लोग. Okay, तुम मतलब you cannot able to identify is that the one thing or multiple, so that could be used in one or multiple. Okay, you, if you're addressing individual, you can address you. If you're addressing 50 other people in a meeting, you say you only, right? That's how it goes in English. तुम लोग, तुम लोग kind of thing. So here this is I. So in this I, you, or what is that here? Another one, right? Third person. This is first person. In English, this is called first person. Nothing in English or any other language. Generally, there is a first person, second person, and we have third person. Okay, first person, second person, third person. So here, when it comes to I, what is that? First person singular. Got it? When it comes we, first person plural, मतलब मैं और हम. Second person मतलब मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ, right? So you, I'm talking to you. So you could be individual or you could be many. Correct? So it is called second person. If I'm directly talking to you, you are the second person because I'm addressing you. आप लोगों से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आप second person हो. आप अगर individual हो तो आप you singular, और आप लोग बहुत से लोग हो अभी. Okay, the way everyone is watching, right? So you are second person plural. Here it comes third person. Third person singular में कौन कौन होते हैं? Third person singular में he, वो, right? She, billy, okay, or guy, or what, tree, anything, right? Earth, anything. मुझे और तुम्हें छोड़ के जितने भी हैं पूरे थर्ड पर्सन हैं. वो थर्ड पर्सन में सिंगुलर है, जैसे हम लोग ऐसे सिंगल में आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. ही, शी, कैट, काउ, राम, श्याम, एनीथिंग दैट कम्स इन, राइट? दे आर फर्स्ट थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. समझ में आ रहा है? थर्ड पर्सन, राम, सीता, दीज आर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. मैं ये क्यों बता रहा हूँ? यू विल बी हैविंग दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई इट इज necessary to understand in English language. Okay, third person singular. Third person plural में कौन होते हैं? वो लोग, right? So it is comes, there are so many other there. Okay, तो here they have, here see, ये बहुत से हैं. वो लोग हैं, या फिर स्टूडेंट्स हैं, या फिर गाय हैं, भैंस हैं, कोई भी है. ठीक है, they are so many. They are in third person. I'm not addressing them. Okay, I'm not addressing, but I'm directly talking to you. But there are other people also, other things also exist. So these are called excuse me, these are called they. ठीक है? So what did you understand? First person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural. So second person singular को हम लोग you करके बोलते हैं, second person plural को भी हम you. That's how we address them, you. Okay, you are such an awesome students. Got it? You are a awesome student. Got it? समझ में आ रहा है ना? हम हिंदी में और दूसरे लैंग्वेज में तुम लोग कहते हैं, तुम लोग. बट हियर you can be addressed to single, you could be addressed to multiple. But in a third, it could be he or they. Okay, he or they. So in this case, just to give you a little bit more information about, मैं, यहाँ पे मैं हुआ, यहाँ पे तुम हुए, यहाँ पे वो हुआ, right? So we generally use these things, right? It will give you some more information. Whenever मैं हूँ, it will get like मेरा, मेरी, right? I और मैं और mine, me और mine. Okay, मैं का representation me और mine मेरा है. You is your. ओके, यू, योर. यहाँ पे ही, हिज. ओके, यहाँ पे ही और शी अगर है, उनका क्या होगा? ये तो दोनों हुए. व्हाट इज दैट? फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, सेकेंड पर्सन सिंगुलर, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. ओके, हिज और हर हुआ. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल, राइट? फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल में क्या है? वी, मतलब हम लोग, ये हमारा, आवर. तो यहाँ पे यू, योर, बहुत लोग, दैट इज सेकेंड पर्सन प्लूरल. दिस इज दे, क्या होगा? देर. गॉट इट? समझ में आया अभी? सो दिस इज व्हाट you got to remember so that you can use when you speak. But why we are learning this is, यहाँ पे थोड़ा different है when it comes to third person singular. Okay, क्या different है हम लोग वहाँ पे समझेंगे. Okay, so let's go there and understand. All right, so यहाँ पे क्या है? I play, right? Meaning first person singular, I am doing the act. What is that I am doing? Playing. So it's a I play. You play मतलब आप खेल रहे हो. Second person singular. You मतलब क्या है? Second person singular. Or it could be second person plural. नहीं पता हमें. You. Then राम कौन है? I हो गया first person singular. You हो गए second person singular. राम कौन है? Third person. मैं, आप, राम is third person. Whenever there is a third person singular comes in, तो क्या होगा? वर्ब के पास s लग जाएगा. ठीक है, s, es और ies. ठीक है, that's how it comes in. That's how we do it. So primarily it comes with plays, eats, wakes. That's how it comes in. Dog first person है, second person है, third person है. Third person could be human being. Third person could be any place. Third person could be animal. Here, third person could be anything other than me and you. मतलब मुझे और आपको छोड़ के कुछ भी है वो पूरा थर्ड पर्सन है. सो थर्ड पर्सन में अगर सिंगल है वो, आप वर्ब को एस लगाओगे. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इफ यू सी, लेट मी मेक इट, फॉर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर को अगर है, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सब्जेक्ट आ गया फर्स्ट, जैसे कि इसमें आया ना सब्जेक्ट, प्लस वर्ब के पास एस आएगा या फिर ई एस आएगा. ठीक है. ई एस कब आएगा? ई एस कब आएगा मतलब, लेट मी टेल यू. ओके, आई प्ले, गॉट इट, आई डू. क्लियर? मतलब मैं करता हूं. इसमें क्या होगा? यू प्ले, राइट, यहां पे डालता हूं, यू प्ले, यू डू. करेक्ट. यहां पे आएगा राम प्लेस और राम डज. यहां पे ई एस आया एंड यहां पे तो ई एस नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट इंग्लिश इज लाइक दिस. वाई? यू शुड नॉट बी आस्किंग एनी क्वेश्चन, ये क्यों है, ऐसा क्यों है. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, वी गोटा फॉलो, सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है. स्टॉप आस्किंग क्वेश्चन एंड जस्ट फॉलो दिस. सो डॉग प्लेस, सिर्फ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर को छोड़ के बाकी जो भी हैं उनको हम लोग एस या ई एस नहीं लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर ये हो गया, राइट. आई प्ले, नो ई एस. यू प्ले, नो ई एस. दे प्ले, नो यू एस. वी प्ले, नो यू एस, नो ई एस, आई एम सॉरी, नो ई एस और एस. अंडरस्टूड? सो तुमको ये वाला चीज थोड़ा याद रखना है. विच वन? दिस वन. ओके, दिस थिंग यू नीड टू remember that anywhere the third person singular comes in, you gotta use the verb plus s or es. Understood? So this is how it is. So start writing sentences of very small. Only what is that you're gonna include? Subject plus you are going to include what? Verb. कुछ भी you could write subject plus verb. मतलब I play, I eat, I read, I go, you eat, you play, you read, you walk, you go, they play, they eat, they go, we play, we eat, we go. But Ram plays, Ram eats, Ram goes, Ram wakes. Got it? Dog plays, dog wakes, dog eats, dog runs. Understood? ये चीजें याद रख लेना. Then you are going to have control over what you talk. Got it? This is what the grammatically correct. So you got to remember this part and you got to remember this part. These are the formulas. You gotta write it down so that you will have a clarity over what is that happening. ठीक है? So this is third person singular. मतलब as I told you, right? Ram eats, okay, and what? Dog runs, whatever, okay. Earth what? Revolves. ठीक है. कुछ भी, whatever, like rain falls. Okay. अगर यहाँ पे dog singular है, right? Third person singular. If I make it third person plural, dog का plural क्या है? Dogs. अगर कुत्ते भाग रहे हैं, कुत्ते, कुत्ता और कुत्ते, राइट, बहुत से, dogs, what will come? Run. Got it? Dogs run. क्योंकि dogs क्या है? Third person plural. In that place it will come this formula. Subject plus verb. Only in place of third person singular you are going to use s or es. Clear? So perfect. Now we will go into how you are going to use continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, and these are the details we are going to understand in my way so that you could speak properly. पहले तो आप ये सीख जाओ कि ये क्यों यूज करते हैं. मतलब whatever you want to represent now and happening, that कुत्ता भाग रहा है, you see that is happening, right? Or your dog wants to play, it likes playing something that it likes. Some example like I like, you like, she does, I sleep. That's how it is. Okay, present simple, where you are not going to use anything else. आई ईट. डू यू ईट राइस? यस आई ईट राइस. आप चावल खाते हो? यस मैं चावल खाता हूँ. दैट्स हाउ इट इज. ओके, दैट्स वेयर इट कम्स इन प्रेजेंट सिंपल. प्रेजेंट सिंपल में क्या क्या होता है? एक सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस एनीथिंग. ओके, एनीथिंग मतलब एनीथिंग मतलब आफ्टर दिस आई प्ले फुटबॉल. आई प्ले फुटबॉल इन वीकेंड्स. समझ में आया? आई डू एक्सरसाइज. आई डू एक्सरसाइज इन द जिम. आई डू कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज विथ माई फ्रेंड. सी कितने मैंने ज्वाइन किया. सो यू सिर्फ ये फॉर्मूला अगर बैठ गया स्टार्टिंग में आई डू, बाकी का पीछे कितना भी लगा लो. ठीक है, दैट्स हाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड. दैट्स हाउ अ सेंटेंस विल बी formed. So if you watch present simple, put that your answers and let me see. Okay, and this is how all about we are going to understand as we move forward. All right.